Hello, my friend. Do you raising any chickens? And what kind of raising? In a cage, no cage, or free range? And today, my chickens are more comfortable than here. Cage farm. Or here, when female is chosen. Thankfully, the latest laws have started to ban this. And free-range farming is becoming more and more popular. Because of this comfort, egg production also increases. Meat, too, more delicious and organic. And detailed farming process. The first step is still hatching the chicks. A layer of wood mulch will be spread on the floor, and the eggs will be incubated directly here. No incubator. And this special machine will support. It will place the egg in a very beautiful way. Let's see. Some eggs will be placed in the tracker. And after a few days, the eggs start to hatch. The barn that will be full of chicks. The food and water system will be prepared immediately. Instinct to find food and drink soon after birth. Most modern farms are moving towards organic. That is, the food is mainly cereals and no growth stimulants added. Although growing slower, but everything is good for health. After about a month, they will be released into the free-range environment. And instead of 24 hours in cages, they have been able to walk, sunbathe, and exercise, will have less fat. Of course, there is still a protective net around the farm. And moreover, they can add natural fiber. After exercising, they return to the barn to eat and drink water. And the first purpose of these chickens: eggs. Organic eggs will be more delicious and more expensive. Surveys show that free-range chickens lay 10% more than caged chickens. Eggs are then placed on a tray and taken to the packing plant. Chicken guys, go to make meat, now. Chickens is taken to the processing plant. Hanging chicken on the processing line. Remove the red liquid in the chicken. Bathe in hot water to remove feather. Chickens, feather cleaning machine. Remove the chicken leg. Split chicken offal. Asian loves this part. Rising again before packing or filtering.